Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this video today, we'll be talking about Excel tables, how you can create Excel tables. You know, putting your work in tables on Excel helps you organize and analyze your data properly. So let's dive right into it. How do you go about that? How do you create Excel tables? First of all, you highlight every aspect of the table you want to create. You highlight all the cells, the range of the cells you want to create table for. So let's highlight that. Okay, let's say I want it up to this place. All right, so I'll go straight to insert. From there I'll come to table. So if you click on this, leave this place as checked. My table has headers, leave it as checked, then you click on OK. So we have our tables. Now we have our tables. The next thing we want to do, check this place. This is the design. You can now decide to come to this table styles to pick the style that you want. Let's pick this one with green. Can we see? We can decide to pick this one. Can we see? That's how to style the table. That's how to style the table. We don't want that. Let's pick another one that is colorful, something like this. Okay, so we love this. Another thing I would like you to see is the table name. So this particular table is called table 2. So you can decide to change this name actually to stock. You can decide to change it to stock or something else entirely. Just type the name and then click on enter. The name is changed to stock. So from here you can now decide to do whatever it is you want to do with this table. It helps with your calculation. Now let's say you want to calculate this place. Now your formula may be different a little bit. Yeah, so with this table we have created, we can do filtering. We have discussed about filtering in my previous video. If you have not watched it, go back and watch that video where we talked about sorting and using of sorting and filter. Now let's say I want to check for pen only here. Let's say biro. I'll click on OK. So even with this table I can do my filtering also. Is that okay? And then I can do sorting. I can pick this place and then go to data and then I click on sort. I want it to sort from A to Z and product item. Okay, from A to Z. I've mentioned this in my previous video. So it's going to arrange this in alphabetical order. So I can do that also. You might want to ask, so what if after creating my table I want to take it back to its original form? I don't want it as table again. Very good. Let's check that also. Go to insert, click on anywhere and then go to insert. You know, then you go to table design. Go to table design. Let's select everything again. Okay, then we go to this table design here. Can we see the table design is here? And then we click on convert to range. Convert to range. If you click on convert to range, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? You say yes, it will convert it back. But if you don't want that, you leave it as no. You go to insert, you click on the table, then you come to table design here and then you click on convert to range. So with this you can take it back to the original form it was. But if you want to create let's say for instance, now I have this place and I want to convert this place to table. I just want to show you that how to convert to table again or how to create table again. You go to insert, you click on table. My table has headers. You make sure you check that one and then can you see? So you can now decide to change this one whatever you want to change it to. You know, that's your header. This part is your header. This part is your header. Okay, you can now decide to change it to whatever you want to change it to. You can format it from here. Yes, you can also format it. I want to change this one to Times New Roman. I want to increase this one to 12. I want to make it bolder. I want everything to be at the center like this. And then I want to change this. Can you see? So depending on what you want exactly, apart from the style that we used over there the other time, you can decide to do the formatting manually by yourself. You can decide to do the formatting manually by yourself. So this is all we have today regarding creating table, and now you can convert your table back to a normal range. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.